Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I am going to be creating some ornaments with some images that I created. So these are the little wooden ornaments that I purchased off of Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. It came with like a set of 20. I think it's got 40 pieces in here. But you guys, look at that. They only gave you like a tiny bit of jute twine to use. Like, what am I gonna do with that? And you gave me 40 ornaments. Anywho, so I got some little jute twine here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the black or if I'm gonna use the little tan one. So I got that out. I've got some Mod Podge, paintbrush, got my Dimensional Magic, got my scissors, got my glue gun, and I also purchased some 98-cent garland. Not sure if I'm going to use that, how I'm going to use that. I got some paint out. Not sure if I'm going to use that or if I'm going to use that. And then I created these images right here. Now this one I'm going to use for my Christmas tree. My living room is this teal and black color. And it's got like some ivory up in my living room. But I think these are cute. I think these are adorable. I printed them on some sticker paper to, you know, skip the step of me having to Mod Podge them on there. But you can do that if you print it just on regular, you know, paper. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these out. And then I'm going to stick them on my ornament. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, you guys, so I am all done. As you can see, they are glazed up. Like, yeah, I love the glaze on it. These things is nice. Okay, so let me get all my little stuff out here. Okay, what I already went on ahead and did is I went on ahead and cut. I got some jute twine right here, and I got just the black little twine. I don't think it's jute. I think that's something hemp. I think that might be hemp, but I'm not sure. I'm drinking my tea, y'all. Okay, so I don't know. Now that I got this red out, I'm not really sure. I don't know. What do y'all think? Should I switch it out for black or should I keep it? Oh no, I like the red. Okay, yeah, I love the red. Okay, yeah. At first, I was like, okay, this don't look, it ain't looking that good, but I love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, so that's cute. So what I'm gonna do now is just, as you've seen, just go ahead and add all of my twine, whatever you want to call this stuff, to each one of the ornaments. Tie it in a knot. Call it a day. Where'd it go? Yep, just tie it in a knot. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for all of my ornaments, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I got my glue gun heating up. Well, no, it is heated. I've got my little ornament string on. So now I have some garlands. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and try to glue this to the back of it, I guess. I really don't know. I know what I want to do, but I honestly have no idea how this is gonna turn out. So I'm gonna cut my garland strips, and then I'm gonna start trying to glue them on. Alright, y'all, I had to pause for a second. Y'all, did y'all see where that glue gun dropped and burnt my arm? Anyways, y'all, I'm so proud of these things. These things is so nice. Look at them. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love you guys. You guys, I love these. Love these. Love, 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 love these. Love these. Love these. Like, shoot, I just told my husband, like, y'all know what? I did it this time. This time, shoot, y'all can't tell me nothing. You hear me? Nothing. Okay, now with these, I'm actually thinking I want to go out and get some green garland to actually, you know, I want to do red, then gold, and then I want to do some green on the bottom. Y'all, that's going to kill it. So, you know what? I'm about to take a quick pause, and I'm finna go to my Dollar Tree, y'all. I got to do it. Like, I got to do it. Because these ornaments right here, I actually did plan on putting them on my website and selling them. But, shoot, I want to do these all the way up. So I want to do the red, the gold, and the green. I think that would really set them on fire. So I'm gonna keep doing mine. But I'm about to run the Dollar Tree, y'all. I'm so excited. So I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I am back, and let me say I went to 2 stores. They did not have like plain green. As you can see, it's got like some little iridescent flakes in it. Still cute. I'm still gonna go ahead and move forward. So as you guys can see, I got my red, got the gold, got the green, and I'm about to go ahead and get started. Hopefully it comes out looking on point, like I know it will, like I'm thinking it will. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. You guys, I am all done. Y'all, I'm eating some Twizzlers. This thing is so good. Okay, you guys, look at that. I could not be more proud of how these things turned out. Y'all, I love it. And plus, even if you didn't and you wanted to just have this color, you know, the red, gold, and green on the tree, you could also flip it over and use that as well. But you guys, oh shoot, like, y'all, I love this. And all 6 of these pictures and images on here are different. I am going to put this set up on my website. You guys, look at this. Y'all, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. And then those are mine right there. Let me scoot these down a little bit. You guys, look at that. Like, y'all, I love how these things turned out. Love it. I'm going to post some pictures so that you guys can see it a little bit better. But I love it. I'm going to be picking up garland for the next month off my floor. But you know what? That's all right. This was totally worth it. If you would like to purchase these, my website is going to be in the description box. Yeah, you guys, I don't think these things will last long. I think these are going to go really fast, really quick. They are definitely unique, one of a kind. Y'all, I want that up on my tree now. Like, I done did this one over here, but shoot, I love these colors. I love, love, love. Anywho, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon.